Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start quick mapping on your Saros 10R. To start quick mapping, so there is a map of your home and you can edit it and you can do stuff with it. You can choose what rooms for the robot to go into. You can choose which rooms will be cleaned in what way and stuff like that. You will need to start mapping, right? Otherwise, you simply can start cleaning already, but it's easier to start quick mapping, edit it, and then start working. Quick mapping is just done once at the beginning of using the robot. Now what I'll do before that is I will return the robot to the dock station and then start mapping. So I'll be back in a second. Of course, you don't really necessarily need to return it to the dock station, but it's better that way for me. I will always do that. So let's start quick mapping now. Make sure not to pick up the robot. It clears any debris and wires to avoid jamming, and open all the doors to all the rooms that require cleaning. Now quick mapping, and it'll start that. Now it's attaching mop mounts and everything, so I'll be back in a minute once it's done. Okay, now mapping is complete. As you can see, the map in my case is like pretty primitive, pretty simple, because it's just set, the robot is set on a table in one room just for like the sake of making it all quicker and easier and everything. But of course, probably in your case it will be set on the floor, so it'll scan the whole place and not just the table, right? Yeah, this is what it looks like now. The map is saved. It is reinstalling the mops, and yeah, that is basically it. Now you can edit the map. There's also a video about that. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.